Welcome back to MilesWeb channel. If you don't want to miss out on any of our videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. What is public_HTML folder? The web root for your primary domain name is called as the public_HTML folder. The public_HTML folder comprises of all the website content which you want to be displayed when someone types your main domain, the one provided while signing up for hosting. In other words, when visitors type your domain name into their browser, whatever is in the public_HTML folder will get displayed to them. Steps to find public_HTML folder. Log in to cPanel. This is our primary domain. Now, under Files section, click on File Manager. Under the root directory of your primary domain, you can see the public_HTML folder. Click on public_HTML folder. As you can see, the public_HTML folder is empty. Now, let's browse the website and it will look like this. Create index.php file in public_HTML folder. Right-click on index.php file and click on Edit. After clicking on Edit option, one dialog box appears on the screen which will ask you for character encoding. If you don't want to select any character encoding option, then click on Edit. Now, add content in it. Here, we are adding under maintenance text. Click on Save Changes to save this file. Again, after browsing the website, you can see the contents of index.php file which is present in public_HTML folder. In our case, we have added under maintenance text in the index.php file, so it is showing the same. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Give a thumbs up if you found it useful. Reach out to us on this email ID for any of your technical queries.